Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create a link or URL for your PNG image file without using any app. So let's get started. First of all, open Google Chrome. Then in the search bar, type MediaFire and search. Now tap on the official MediaFire website link at the top of the results. After that, tap on Upload Files Now. Then tap on the upload icon. After that, tap on the add file icon at the bottom left corner. Now here you select gallery. Then choose the PNG image that you want to create a link for. Here I will select this PNG image. Now you can see your PNG file is uploading. Once the upload is complete, you have successfully created a downloadable link for your PNG file. After that, tap on copy link. You can now share this link anywhere you want. For example, I will share it on WhatsApp. So open WhatsApp and go to your friend's chat. Paste the link in the message box and send it. Now if your friend taps on the link, they can easily download the PNG image by tapping on the download icon. As you can see, the PNG file is downloaded successfully. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.